Hi lovelies, welcome again to my channel. God bless you guys. A beautiful day to everyone. To you, if it's your first time, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. You can let me know your minds on the comment section below. I appreciate you stopping by today. Please watch this video to the end. I promise you guys you're not going to regret it. Watch to the end and also check out other of our videos depending on your hairstyle and what you want for yourself, because we feature different hairstyles on this channel. I appreciate you, my returning subscribers. God bless you guys. See you guys at the end of the video.
I'll put you in front of my melody. You are all that matters.
Short hair allows women to feel the freedom of styling and sharpness of image they couldn't even dream of. You can see these beautiful matured women. You can see the impression on their faces and how they feel having this beautiful haircut. You can see them before and you can see them after. As a matter of fact, wearing short haircut in this summer is a trend that has taken over women from all around the globe. And these days, celebrities, even beautiful matured women, are the ones really on the list. You can have a good look at this latest iconic beautiful short hairstyles captured today on your screen. These hairstyles are lovely. If you're about to really copy someone's look, why don't you take a good look at this beautiful short hairstyles from beautiful matured women. These are styles that will show off your best features while giving you that beautiful slight frame to the forehead. I love this haircut. I love this body. I just love the design. For those that love designs, you can go for this style. It's simple, it's classy, and it's lovely for beautiful matured women. These are beautiful hairstyles that will make you look gorgeous, that will make you look like the boss lady you are, and will always make you stand out in the crowd. Take a good look at this beautiful woman. Take a good look at her before. See her after. Even the blonde color is beautiful. Sometimes it's good to play around with a beautiful hair color as a mature beautiful woman, because it gives you that young and beautiful chic look and make you look so classy and elegant. Take a good look at her again. You can see her happy and how gorgeous she really looks on this beautiful haircut. We have so many beautiful women and videos showing how they were before and how they look after their haircut and the way they feel immediately having this haircut. Check it out yourself and see their great impression. Let me know your mind in the comment section below. I appreciate everyone and I'm wishing you guys a beautiful week ahead. God bless you guys. If you're confused on the short haircut to really rock this week, or you want to go for the big chop, please watch this video to the end, and there are many hair options ideas you can pick up from those hairstyles. God bless you guys and see you at the end of the video.
Thank you so much. God bless you guys. I appreciate you. See you in my next video.